think we were just fortunate that we were in the right place in the right business at the right time. We are a global supplier of automation into the medical, automotive, and consumer products industries. Almost immediately, we had customers, existing customers and potential new customers come to us asking us how quickly we could build machines for them for COVID test materials. We had to make deliveries that we had considered impossible before. So what would have taken our design team normally 5 to 6 weeks, we finished in 5 to 7 days.
We formed dynamic teams and they came together regardless of time, place, and function in order to solve the pending problems as quickly as possible.
We ran two shifts that were separated by a half an hour so that there was no overlap between people on shifts. If one shift had infected people, that our second shift could continue to work and we didn't have to shut down our entire facility because of an outbreak.
This was a great experience to see what's possible, even if it looks not possible in the beginning.
We had an expertise here and a plan that we felt would allow us to respond quicker than anybody else would be able to. And I think we proved ourselves. We have a number of machines which we're working in a collaboration with Germany to provide to a good customer of ours here in the United States for hand sanitizer dispensers. Really, we've built over the years, I think, a great organization, and to see them respond the way everybody responded is really, really encouraging to me.